In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn at least $100 per day as a complete beginner. Hey, it's Marty Englander, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I spent 45 minutes, which resulted in generating a $20,000 a year asset. I'm going to show you step by step how you can apply the exact same method as me. If you implement this method I'm about to show you, there's a really good chance you're going to be able to start generating an income online. Now, before we get into this, I want to say what I'm showing you is not fluff. It's 100% working modern day make money method, which I teach in my MMO Alliance course. The link can be found in the description below. I prove this method in a real case study, growing the digital asset from scratch with earnings and everything I do to earn an income online. This method I'm about to show you is really easy to do and does not require you to be a marketing expert. You will not need a website, you will not need an email list, you will not need a funnel, and you do not need to be doing PPC. Before we get started, I'm running a competition where I'll be offering a course giveaway, and all you need to do to enter is 1. Find the emoji that I randomly place in this video, 2. Like the video, and 3. Comment the emoji found in the video in the description below. I will pick the winner in the next video. Once you've done that, let's move on to how I've generated a $20,000 plus yearly income in less than 1 hour. I've broken this down into 3 easy steps. Anyone can follow these steps. It's super easy to use. There is no jargon or fancy tools needed. You've just got to follow these steps. So the first step is niche hunting. I'm going to save you a lot of time and stress with this by basically telling you which niche you want to be in, and inside my MMO Alliance course, I've backed up my claims showing real earnings of how I've generated over £7,000 or $9,486 in payable commissions in just under 3 months. The platform we'll be using is YouTube, and the reason why is because it's a cash generator when done correctly. You do not need tons of views or subscribers to earn money on this, and I'll show you why shortly, so keep on watching. On YouTube, we want to type in some sort of money method which involves a task like copywriting, for example. Most businesses need copywriting services, so this could be a fantastic niche to go into. Let's type in how to write blog posts. Now let's reverse engineer these videos by looking at the description. I'm going to go ahead and select this video here. The first thing you want to do is go through the video and just understand what it is this person is talking about, because whatever they are talking about, they've done a really good job of targeting their target market, and you can see all the comments and the viewships that everything about this video has just been done correctly. So you'd want to go through this video and write down all the notes about what it is she's talking about. In this instance, it's how to write a blog post for beginners. So now that we've found our niche, which is copywriting, we've even found a topic, which is how to write blog posts, and we've even found the format that it needs to be in. The next step is the product search. We need to find a product that's going to earn us money, and there's a ton of products out there, but not all of them will earn us an income. So we need to find a product that's actually going to earn us an income and something that's going to complement the video that we're about to create. To do that, all we would do is go back to that video we found, go into the description, and just see what links are inside the description. There's a whole bunch of products, but there's one in particular which is called Grammarly, and you can see she even has an affiliate link here. For those of you who don't know what Grammarly is a tool to help people with their spelling, punctuation, change all of their grammar, and just help them create well-flowing, readable blog posts, articles, whatever you want to call them. It just helps when you're writing. So matching up with a video like this or a themed video like this is a really good idea. So we now know what sort of videos people like watching. We now have a product to match the style video we want to create. So logic tells us if we want to be successful in a specific thing, do what others are doing. So in other words, we are going to take that idea, we're going to recreate it with our own unique selling point, and then we're going to direct people to the product that we have an affiliate with. But before we can do that, we need to join the affiliate program. So you might be asking what an affiliate program is. Well, companies like Grammarly partner up with marketers or individuals who have an audience in a specific topic, like copywriting. They will offer a share of their sales to the affiliate to every single person that they send their way. So if you go to Google and type something like Grammarly affiliate program and then click on the link, you can apply to become an affiliate here, and you'll see for every free account sign up you will earn 20 cents, but if someone pays or upgrades their account to a premium plan, you will earn $20. So you only need 5 customers a day to generate $100. So at this stage, what I would do is I would go grab a free trial of the product we are promoting and then record myself using it with a theme for the video, which can be anything on the lines of how to structure a blog post or how to check if my blog is going to get penalized on Google using plagiarized text. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. So I've created an account with them. Now that I've created a document with them, I would title it with the theme how to create the perfect blog post online, and then I would start structuring it and showing people how to do it. So number 1, let's start off with a good title. An example of a title is, and then number 2, let's create an introduction. An introduction is, and then number 3, let's create subheadings for the entire blog. An example of a subheading is, and then give a summary. A summary is, and then as you're using this and using the software in front of them, you can say, oh, and by the way, Grammarly have a discount going on, check the link in the description. So what you're doing is giving people value whilst at the same time passively selling. You may have already guessed what the third step is, but the third step is creation. We now know what sort of theme videos people respond to. We know what the product is that we can promote and how we're going to earn money with it. And now it's time to create the video. Now you can create the video in all different ways. Some people, like me for example, I like to show my face and I like to use my voice because it's faster, easier and more efficient, but others aren't so inclined, and that's absolutely okay. There's 2 other levels that you can do to this, which is you can just show your screen and not show your face at all, and you can also record your voice, or if you want it to be completely anonymous as such, you can record your screen and also use a text-to-speech software, which I'll get into shortly. There are tons of screen recorders online for free, but one of the easiest and simplest ones to use is Loom, and they offer it for free. It's literally a one-click install where you sign up and then install it. You can decide whether or not you want to show your face or not. It's completely up to you. It's very flexible software. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. Now, if you don't want to use your own voice when creating the videos, that's absolutely fine as well, and you can use text-to-speech softwares. This specific one is currently on offer. I think it's something like 70-80% discount, and I'll leave a link below for you. Very simply, the way this works is you would enter some text there, hello, how are you? You would then adjust the speech accordingly or add pauses, whatever you want to do. On the right, you would choose your voice and the language, decide if you want it to be a friendly tone or a normal or serious tone, and then do generate voiceover. Once that's done, press OK, scroll down, and then you can download the file. You can also add background music, but I'm going to leave that out for today. And now we have our file. Now to edit the video, there's tons of editing softwares out there, and it really is about personal preference. I use the Wondershare Filmora X, and this is a paid one, but you can also get the free trial of it, but there are tons of other editors. Just type in video editing and find one that's your favorite. I drag the files in, so I have my normal video here, my screen recorder, and then I also drag in the voiceover, which would go here. I would then go through the video, chop all the areas that I don't want, maybe even add some music in, chop that down, and now we have our video. I would then simply export it, title it, and then click export. Next, it's time to upload and optimize. So I'm going to go ahead and click the create button on YouTube and click upload video. I'm going to select file and upload the Grammarly. We're going to title it how to create the perfect blog post. We would then add a description. In this video, I'll show you how to create the perfect blog post. And then you would add your link affiliatelink.com, the one that you got from Grammarly. Now, there is a method to this that I have perfected, but it wouldn't really be fair to all my students if I reveal that here, as they invested in my MMO Alliance Make Money course, which is where I go into more detail about the ranking method. Here, I've just shown you some of the basics for ranking, which are still effective, but you just need to work a little harder to make it work. So next, you want to go ahead and add a thumbnail. I've just put a random thumbnail here, but yours will want to have Grammarly in the thumbnail. And then where it says show more, you want to type in things like Grammarly review, how to create a blog post, and basically keywords or strings of words which make sense and help YouTube understand what this video is about. Then you would click next. Now you won't see this monetize area, and again, this is something that I go more into detail in my MMO Alliance course, because this is something so many people struggle with, but YouTube will place ads onto your videos which will generate an income. An example of this is, take my YouTube account for example. Last year I earned £2,935 in basically completely passive income because I allowed YouTube to monetize the videos. As you see here, on a monthly basis I'm earning round about £300 a month, which it averages out about, and that's purely for uploading these videos here. Now you won't have access to this yet because you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and I show you how you can accomplish this really fast with a case study inside my MMO Alliance course. But for now, just forget about it and just go next, and then next, and then next, and then you'll go ahead and click public and click publish. So that is ultimately the method, and this is the most simplistic way I can show you of how to do this. But there is a better and more efficient way of doing this, which will help with your rankings and help with your earnings, but all of that is inside my MMO Alliance course, and the link can be found below. This is probably one of the easiest and fastest ways you can earn an income online, but it does require you to turn up and do it every single day and improve as you go. Follow these steps, apply it every day, turn up and watch what happens. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them below, and I'll see you next time.